Actress Gwyneth Paltrow is in a bit of a pinch right now. The actress's civil trial for a ski accident that occurred more than 7 years ago has finally begun, and the arguments on both sides are pretty heated. So what caused this ordeal? What happened 7 years ago? Harry Sanderson, a retired optometrist, filed a lawsuit in January 2019 accusing Paltrow of crashing into him at the Utah-based Deer Valley Ski Resort on February 26, 2016, and leaving him seriously injured. However, the actress denied to have caused the collision and filed a countersuit against Sanderson, claiming that it was Sanderson who had crashed into her, delivering a full body blow from behind. Sanderson's original complaint filed against Paltrow claims that she allegedly skied out of control and hit the back of Terry Sanderson, another skier who was downhill, knocking him over and knocking him out and causing a brain injury, 4 broken ribs, and other serious injuries. His original complaint also stated that Paltrow got up after the accident, turned, and skied away as if nothing had happened, leaving Sanderson stunned, lying in the snow seriously injured. His complaint also stated that a Deer Valley Resort ski instructor who was training Paltrow allegedly saw the injured Sanderson and skied off, falsely accusing Sanderson to have caused the crash. According to Sanderson, the employee failed to send help as he was obligated to do, and later filed a false report to protect his famous client. He said that neither Ms. Paltrow nor Deer Valley Lodge personnel notified emergency responders about his injuries and left him at the scene with serious brain injuries. In an amended complaint filed in February 2019, Sanderson charged the value of the damages he is seeking from $1.3 million to $300,000. However, the resort was dismissed from Sanderson's suit after its lawyers argued it is shielded from liability for skiing injuries given the inherent risks to the sport. Now, what did Gwyneth Paltrow claim in her countersuit? After a month of Sanderson's original lawsuit, Paltrow filed a countersuit against him in which she denied causing the collision and claimed that Sanderson was the one who plowed into her back. The suit claims Ms. Paltrow remembers what happened very clearly. She was enjoying skiing with her family on vacation in Utah when Sanderson, who was uphill from Ms. Paltrow, crashed onto her from behind. She sustained a full body blow. According to Paltrow, they fell on the ground together and were almost spooning. However, she later clarified that she was not accusing Mr. Sanderson of sexual assault. She also apologized for using inappropriate language and yelling at Sanderson after the collision. She was very upset and she was taken aback by the strange turn of events. She also claimed that a Deer Valley employee was present at the scene of the accident and the worker asked Sanderson if he was okay, to which he allegedly said he was. She also claimed that the employee created a report saying Sanderson was the uphill skier who was responsible for their collision. The counterclaim stated that her own injuries were relatively minor and that she is only seeking symbolic damages of $1 plus cost for her lawyer's fees from Sanderson for defending herself against this meritless claim. This whole ordeal went viral on social media platforms and called Stephen Owens, Paltrow's lawyer, as goofy, as he waved around a dollar bill as a prop during his opening argument to emphasize that Paltrow was countersuing for just $1, arguing it mattered because the crash had ruined Paltrow's family's skiing trip. She called the lawsuit against her an attempt to exploit her celebrity and wealth. On her recent court visit, she testified the crash had left her with a sore knee and she got a massage afterwards. She said, "I was skiing and 2 skis came between my skis, forcing my legs apart, and there was a body pressing against me and a very strange grunting noise." She thought to herself, is this a practical joke? Is someone doing something perverted? He was groaning and grunting in a very disturbing way. Paltrow denied that she ever engaged in risky behavior on a ski run with which she said she was previously familiar. She said that she skied as she normally would even though her children were present that day. According to Paltrow's lawyers, Sanderson is obsessed with a lawsuit and Paltrow's wealth. However, upon questioning by her legal team, Paltrow was asked if she had sympathy for Sanderson, and she replied that she feels sorry for him. She said, "It seems like he's had a very difficult life, but I did not cause the accident, so I cannot be at fault for anything that subsequently happened to him." What do you think of this? Who is in the wrong? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel.